This is, yeah, it's actually fan-made. A fan shared a mod with me, so that I could use it, while I'm playing, right? I will take good care. Yeah! I will take absolute good care of this entire truck. Holy shit. No, 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 no. Oh my god, it's a police car! Unlike previous Euro Truck Simulator streams where you've noticed me going crazy on the road, I will be absolutely careful with this specific one. Yo, that's insane! Because if this crashes or if this breaks, I don't have anyone else to blame but myself. I think I crash if I'm paying attention to chat. I think I crash if I look at chat. No, it's okay. I love you, chat. I'm sorry.